I
He'll
saw
bring like it.
someone do that. I think I saw Prophet do that before in Junkertown, and he got like a triple. He got like a triple kill doing that shit.
What are you playing? What are you playing?
I went with Winston. More mobile in this map.
You kind of you gotta get somebody with you.
Yeah.
You need like a diva to accompany you or some shit.
You running Diva? Why don't you just run Hog?
Oh, we're running. Or we're playing defense.
Yeah.
I'll stay on Diva.
I feel like point A is, you know, it's more stationary.
Shoot for a new high score.
That guy was fucking weird.
Think you can keep up with me?
Yeah, it's so weird without music. I'm gonna turn it on.
Oh, what on?
Music.
You play game of music?
Are we holding top?
Like,
there's no point holding a top without a lineup. That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, shoot.
Yeah, we don't have a
Depends
shield.
on what they depends on what they do. Just see if we can break off their backline.
I think we should hold. We shouldn't hold there. They're gonna pick you off.
It's okay. We'll
Yeah,
just
we
run
have
away.
we have no shield, man.
Oh. They have
Call it out.
Genji. They have a Lucio. They're running the dive. I'm coming back.
McCree's upstairs.
Yo, the warrior is low.
Watch out, watch out.
Genji's low. Yeah. Right low, right down.
You seem in need of aid. Allow me to repair the damage.
Go back.
Alright, good job, good job.
Oh, couldn't make it over. Not black enough.
Where your hops, man?
Seriously.
Genji on the right.
Call out the Genji. I will protect you.
Nice, nice.
Oh, nice. Good spam.
Nice, nice.
Haven't had enough?
Mercy low, mercy low. Heal me, heal me. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Gotta res you.
Yeah, but I can't.
You fucking earth shattered me.
There's a Merc 3 up there.
There's a little power now.
Yeah. Back up to the point. We're down 2 people.
On my way back, on my way back.
Yeah, we should stall, wait for team. Over on the right.
Alright, pitch dead. Yeah, move them off, move them off.
Where's this
McCree's up there.
Dead.
Alright, he dead.
Go hold, guys. Oh, I forgot to record. Oh, record now.
Damage boost engaged.
Oh yeah.
Always
There we
forget for
go.
the first game.
I'm recording too.
Oh, we're doing well and I didn't record. Oh well.
They got Brigida, they got Brigida.
Touch from afar.
Okay. Oh, back on, man.
Yep. Woo! Mercy's low, Mercy's low.
I need to recharge.
Did the Ryan get the pin? He wasn't pinning people, right? Okay.
No, he's dead.
Yo, I have so much damage boost.
Who you boosting?
30 seconds.
Andrew.
Oh yeah, he just spamming that shit.
Heroes never die.
Making that shit.
Alright, watch out, watch out.
A welcome improvement.
Which side they coming? Left, right?
Right, right.
They're going right. Oh no, actually I take that back. Alright, Freeze dead.
I think you guys.
Ryan dead.
Oh, bitch. Ah,
It's just versus Arya. That's how you got him.
dead. We good.
Alright.
Nice. Good fucking
Easy.
hold. Her fucking really wanted me dead. Even when I jumped in the air, she fucking followed her ult with me.
I don't know what happened there. I mean, like.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
It's hard. If she killed Ricky, that would have been a lot better.
Yeah, that was a little weird. Wasn't expecting it to go that smoothly.
Experience.
Johnson recording.
Yeah.
We all recording. We're all recording. Except that first two. Those first two pushes I didn't get.
Holding upstairs, I'm just gonna jump on point, alright? Then they
Yo,
have
I-
let's watch mine.
Yeah.
Science will reveal the truth.
Your point of view is kind of boring.
Yo, just get the 53 limbs again, you good.
Yeah.
That should be exciting enough.
I have 1300 damage boost.
Yeah. Just gotta
Damn.
keep damage boosting.
The chunks nades, pretty much.
Guns. See what they have.
Oh, someone took gold because I died. So rude.
Attack commences.
I don't have any
in
damage
30
on.
seconds.
Winston doesn't even count final blows.
Really?
Interesting. Nope.
Oh
That's
yeah.
not.
Same here.
I guess that's not a primary concern for tanks. Attack heroes count final blows.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense, honestly.
3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Do you have a barista?
Yeah, we gotta get them off the fucking top. Top, yep.
You seem in need of aid.
Shit. Man, I'll go on point with you. They have to get off. Oh wait, it's just a junk up
It's
there. Go
just the
upstairs.
jump up there.
Come up, fly up, fly up, fly up.
No, he's back down. He's
Never
jumped
mind.
down.
Yeah, never mind, never mind.
This-
Soldiers all the way in the back, man.
Yeah.
Can you
I'm
go with
gonna-
me to the back? Yeah, go,
I'm
go
gonna
fly
grab
there.
the Zen. I'm gonna grab the Zen. He's by himself. Zen's by himself.
Oh, I got fucking stuff.
Oh, he's getting pocketed.
Oh my god, this bitch. We should aim for the mercy instead.
Oh yeah, he's getting pocketed hard.
Yeah, he's getting pocketed. Get the mercy.
This is my will. Not yet. Regenerating your cellular structure.
Regroup. I'm coming back.
Alright, Mike, we'll target the mercies.
Yeah.
Just charge those ults. Oh shit. It's fine. Where's the mercy?
Fucking the jump.
Let's go upstairs. Hold up. Shit.
Oh, that's enemies. Careful.
Oh fuck.
Oh.
God
Regroup.
damn. Fuckers.
What else? Almost put.
Oh god.
Yeah,
I think
why'd
you
you
should-
go for the rest, bro? Just wait.
You should go Widow, Johnson.
That would actually be good. They have no one that can counter you, dude.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Come on, we just gotta run on point, get a pick.
I just typed GG right now.
Everyone back?
Yeah. Let me see. Where is?
Let's go. Where's the mercy, Mike?
Made real.
All the way back.
Holy shit.
Never die. Cease your resistance.
Oh shit. These fuckers.
Zen out,
Pop
Zen
the-
out.
Pop the ult. Just don't use any ults yet. We'll just go in with a couple. They already popped the trams.
You know what we can do for this one? We could probably run the goat scum too, if anything. And run them
Absolutely.
over.
Got a minute, man. He left. Alright, alright. How many ults we got? Let's wait for one more.
This.
Man, you back?
They don't have trance anymore.
Yeah. I know.
Drop a bubble, let him snipe.
60 seconds. I'm restoring.
Oh ho ho!
Oh, almost got the mercy.
Oh yeah, she's super low. I got her.
Oh, she gone. Yes.
I got her, I got
Go
her.
down 3.
Zen dead.
Alright, then we good.
Mercy's coming back.
Yeah, pop those ults when they come back. Pop the coalescence.
We got it.
Nice.
Play of the game.
Yeah, that Widow helped a lot.
Yeah. they were just nah, it just ignored you. Like, what do we do? It's a fucking Junkrat.
Ah, that attack round was pretty rough.